What's up guys, Kaiyuan here.
Today, I'm going to show you how different bushing shapes fit in the rear truck of the Synergy Surfskate Trucks. First up, the cone tall barrel combo. It's a bit more stable than the default cone tall cone setup. Great for tricks in the skate park, or for anyone looking for a more forgiving ride. Next, the barrel tall barrel combo. This one offers even more stability. Perfect for a controlled ride. Now, the barrel tall fat cone combo. It initially feels similar to a barrel combo, but it offers progressively higher resistance as the more you turn and the deeper the trucks lean. Moving on to the barrel tall chubby combo. It's the most stable setup out of all the combinations. Lastly, the barrel tall cake combo. The Venom tall cake shape offers more progressive resistance and rebound than a barrel. Without the hard stop of a typical stepped bushing like the Chubby, and wrapping it up, let's look at the core bushing. It's designed to replace the spherical bearing in the hanger. Compared to using a spherical, the core bushing offers more stability and a faster return to center. When installing the core bushing on the rear truck, make sure to stack the core on top of the deckside bushing as shown in the video. This makes installing the bushing seat and hanger a lot easier. And that's it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Synergy Surfskate trucks. Thanks for watching.